Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about properties of materials. All objects are made of materials. What materials do you know?
Wood, paper, and metal.
Glass, plastic, and rubber.
Yes, that's right. Do you think that all of these materials have the same properties?
No. They have different properties.
Then, how are the properties of these materials different?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a wooden block, a plastic straw, a metal pipe, an eraser, and a rock. We will be finding out the texture of the objects. We will also find out if the objects can bend.
Teacher, what does texture mean?
Texture is how something feels when you touch it. For example, cotton and silk feels smooth while a brush feels rough. Now that you know what we will be testing the objects for, let's begin with the wooden block. Does the wooden block have a smooth or rough surface? Pause the video. Feel the wooden block's surface.
It's rough.
Can the wooden block be bent? Pause the video, try bending the block.
It cannot be bent.
How about a plastic straw? Pause the video. Feel the straw.
The plastic straw is smooth.
Yes! But can the plastic straw be bent? Pause the video. Try bending the straw.
The plastic straw can be bent.
What about a metal pipe? What is its texture and can it bend? Pause the video. Feel and bend the pipe.
The metal pipe is smooth but cannot be bent.
What about an eraser? Pause the video. Feel and bend the eraser.
The eraser is smooth and can be bent.
Lastly, what about a rock? Pause the video. Feel and bend the rock.
The rock is rough and cannot be bent.
So class, what did we learn today?
Some materials are smooth while some materials are rough.
Some materials can bend and some cannot.
Yes, we used the word flexibility to talk about a material's ability to bend. Hence, the properties of different materials have different textures and flexibility. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.